Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a little in details some of the new features that were added to Clickly last month. If you just want to keep in touch and have your hand on the pulse of the project, you can check out another video, 3-minute overview. I will put the link in the comments. So the main highlight is screen routing, which now supports three main types of navigation in mobile applications. First of all, it's stack, which was available in Clickly before. It's just a regular way where can go forward and back, and you are basically stacking app on top of each other. Like mentally, you can think this way. Also, there is a drawer now, or this sliding panel from the left or right, which is also very popular UX pattern for mobile applications. And this drawer is fully configurable. You can configure as you see every piece and part of this drawer, every style and all the configuration and everything and type of it. And should it be from the left or right, and all the colors and the swipe gesture should it be enabled, like all the things that are available for regular uh, like application in the code. Now here it's available in the visual way, and again, of course, you can test it. uh, Most of the things, look and feel, you can test. Even you can see preview it right in the editor. But of course, the best thing is to try it on the mobile applications. So you, as always, you scan QR code and you get it on your mobile phone as a native app, and you can test it. Also, besides drawer, of course, tabs, which are probably the most popular navigation pattern now for mobile applications. And again, everything here is configurable. As you see, there are different colors, different icons. Everything here is configurable. And by the way, this all this entire application, just demo application, was one-shotted with a simple prompt. AI generated it, and just to show you what's possible and how it all works. And that, by the way, another thing that um, I'm working on is AI generation integration with generative AI, and just showing you this uh, nice examples of some nice designs or well thought applications that, again, they were one shotted. And the next step for Clickly in this is basically to add agentic flow that will guide the user, will guide you in the process of creating a new app. Basically, it's like interactive conversation that will ask you, okay, what kind of app you want to create. You give it an answer, and then it gives you like, okay, probably you want to have like this 5 to 10 to 20 up to I don't know whatever you need screens, which of those you need, and you just can uh, make it your choice. And then it will ask you, okay, what what else do you want to add, just what else is missing, and then what kind of design there should be, some color theme, color palette, uh, what are your preferences, and all those like questions will help you and guide you in the process, and then will create you the app exactly as you want. And as I'm like repeating again and again, in Clickly, it's not just vibe coding. You can then change everything in a visual way. You don't need to prompt it again and spend your tokens on that. If you just want to play with the color, experiment with some sizes and texting and wording and copy and whatever you want, or you just fix something that probably AI misses. For instance, AI likes adding this emojis in every title, so probably you want to remove it or something like this. And so all these things will be available soon. I'm pretty excited about that. And just wanted to show you a little bit in details how this configuration works for the routing, for drawer, and for tabs. So first of all, you can, as I said, configure everything. If you go into view mode, you can open the drawer, and then you can open um, the drawer layout configuration and change anything if you want. Uh, should it be the drawer type front or back? And you see it changes how it works, and or should it be permanent? And it also like affects the way this drawer works. And then should it be on the left or right? And all the different configuration for colors, main color, background color, swipe, back button, search bar, status bar, uh, all things. And of course, styling of each and every piece of the entire drawer. For instance, we can change this background and immediately you see the result. Let's undo it. And yeah, let's undo all the changes. And then all the headers and styles and uh, uh, a new thing that appeared in Clickly this last month is this folder controls and in the screen controls. Those are kind of like, as you see, they are separate from the main screen tree called Screen Explorer. Here, screen controls are basically components that are not really, they're not rendering immediately something on the screen, but they affect look and feel, layout, appearance, and you can add not that many components available there because they're like special ones. But for instance, you can add status bar configuration, and if you are at the edge between, for instance, here drawer and tabs, you can have both. For instance, here we can see that explore in this drawer, it's just screen name. It's not really a title because there are some configuration missing. So we can add, besides the tabs layout configuration that affects all the screens inside, we can add the drawer screen configuration, which affects this, like the entire group as one screen. And we go into the general and we say explore. Um, and then it that that's how it should be. And again, you can hide it, show it, configure everything, all those great things. And a really nice thing that I like is ability to link to add some links, and similar thing is available in action flows when you want to navigate between the screens. So let's add some link, and it will be some simple link. And this new screen picker now available, where it shows you the structure of your entire application, all the screens in this nice cascader view, and you can choose this profile. You can add parameters. By the way, screens are now can have parameters which allows you to pass some data into it and build, for instance, a screen for profile and then pass some ID or username, and depends which user you selected on the previous screen, this profile will show you a different data, and this parameters can be used as a data source for API query, for instance, or something like this. And then we don't have parameters for this profile. And then if we test it, um, we can see this link opens this profile. So all those things are now available, all the configurations, all the customizations, everything. Really glad about that. Thank you for your deep interest and that you are like willing to listen and watch 10 minutes video on this topic. If you watched to this point, please reach me out or comment under this video, leave your comment because I really want to uh, know more about people who are really interested, and maybe there are some ways that I can help you, support you on the way you using Clickly. And also this month I'm going to start a couple of pilot programs with some early customers, early users. And if you want to join this program and build a pilot app using Clickly or helping me, you want me to help you building this app, also please reach out to me and I would be glad to assist. And thank you again and have a great day. Bye.